Goeiedag, dit is Frieske Rieder here with today something different. I've had a bit of a thought lately and a change of heart. I'm gonna change the language in which I speak in my videos from Frisian to English. Reasons for that is quite simple. If you've ever written subtitles for like any video, you'll know that writing subtitles is kind of a pain in the ass. And I want my videos to be understandable for like every English speaking person that is on the whole world. And what I used to do is subtitle my videos in English and Dutch. So actually I had to do it twice, which was, as I said, kind of a pain in the ass. Now, because of it being a pain in the ass, it also demotivated me a little bit. So I figured, well, why not? I speak English just fine. And there's another benefit that comes to that, is that because I don't have to spend so much time writing subtitles, I can put a little bit more effort into improving the quality of the videos. Now, of course, you will have to excuse my accent, but me personally, I don't really care about accents, but yeah, it's just a part of life, so to speak. I'm also gonna be recording a little video about what happened to my beloved BMW GS that you used to see in the videos, and I'm also gonna be doing a video about my K75 that I own right now. So yeah, that was a real small update, real quick update, but hopefully I'm gonna be back with more interesting videos and with more videos full stop. So I'm hoping to see you soon. On Shan.